All right, folks. Today we're flushing a Rheem gas water heater that's 9 years old. And guess what? We found sand and rust particles in the tank. Now the homeowner proudly told me, oh, we have a softener. The water's perfect. Yeah, about that. Let me break the news gently. A water softener isn't a magical anti-rust, anti-sand, pipe-saving sorcerer. All it does is reduce hardness, calcium and magnesium. That's it. It doesn't filter, doesn't stop sediment, and it definitely doesn't reach into your tank at night and clean it with a microfiber cloth. So even with a softener, if you've got sand or rust coming in from the main line, or your tank is just old and crusty, it's going to build up, especially in gas heaters where the sediment cooks on the bottom, like burnt oatmeal in a cheap pot. This tank is 9 years deep and has clearly seen some things. When I flushed it, we didn't just get cloudy water, we got flakes, chunks, and what looked like rusty cornflakes coming out the drain. I half expected it to spell out, "Help me," in sediment on the driveway. Now, why is this happening? Well, over time, tiny bits of sediment sneak past the softener, especially if there's no pre-filter. Also, soft water is more aggressive. It's like, oh hey, I see some metal. Let me corrode that real quick. Add heat, pressure, and time. And boom, rust party in the tank. This is why flushing your water heater once a year, or twice if you're in a sandy or aggressive water zone, is mandatory if you want your heater to live past its warranty. Otherwise, your tank turns into a crunchy soup of steel flakes and regret. So yeah, today's flush wasn't just maintenance, it was an intervention. We opened the drain, turned on the water, and watched 9 years of pipe, dandruff come, blasting out like a spa day for plumbers. And now the tank can actually breathe again. Don't wait until your water heater starts, sounding like it's boiling marbles, or stops, giving you hot water halfway through your shower. Flush it, filter it, or forget it. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Or the next time you flush your heater, it might cough up a sediment nugget big enough to file for citizenship. You've been warned.